Welcome to TSX Scaffold and Form Group, a leading enterprise that provides high-quality scaffolding and formwork products to customers worldwide. For 14 years, we have been at the forefront of innovation in the construction industry, providing a variety of solutions including ring block scaffoldings, frame scaffoldings, scaffolding props, OEM steel formworks, scaffolding base jacks, scaffolding couplers, scaffolding planks, with related scaffolding and formwork accessories. With determination and professional knowledge, we turn this vision into reality, serve the global market, and establish strong and lasting partnerships with our customers. Our vision persists in being an advocate and leader for safety and stability for the scaffolding and formwork building materials. Our mission is to provide the most professional one-stop service for safety scaffolding and formwork products, change the world, and strive to create a happy life for humanity. Our values are gratitude, efficiency, excellence, and win-win. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. We use the highest quality materials, manufacture with precision, and rigorously test our products to ensure compliance with the highest industry standards. Every product is carefully crafted to ensure reliable and safe operation no matter what challenges it faces. At TSX Scaffold and Form Group, we have a dedicated quality control department to oversee every step of the production process. Our quality inspection team strictly follows customer requirements, providing detailed inspection reports and videos to ensure transparency and quality assurance, from raw material incoming inspection, samples inspection on the production line to strict inspection before shipment. But we are not limited to quality alone. We also understand the importance of sustainability. As the world shifts towards more environmentally conscious practices, TSX Scaffold and Form Group is committed to reducing our environmental footprint. Our steel products are designed to have a long lifespan, be reusable, minimize waste, and support a circular economy. We are constantly seeking to optimize our supply chain, reduce emissions, and incorporate energy-saving processes into our scaffolding and formwork manufacturing industry. This is not just about what we do. This is done in a way that benefits both our customers and the planet. TSX Scaffold and Form Group is not just a company. We are a company with warmth. We are a warm enterprise dedicated to social welfare undertakings. We are committed to social welfare undertakings, not only striving to improve employees' income and welfare benefits, but also making a modest contribution to society as our lifelong goal. We believe that the success of a business should not only be measured by profits, but also by its positive impact on society. The future of construction is being built today, and your vision deserves a partner who can elevate it to new heights. TSX Scaffold and Form Group stands ready with proven solutions, sustainable innovation, and the industry expertise that has empowered over X projects globally. But this is where our story intersects with yours. Whether you're breaking ground next month or planning landmark project, the time to secure your competitive edge is now. The scaffold and formwork of tomorrow require today's decisive action. Let's not just imagine the future of construction, let's engineer it, scaffold by scaffold, formwork by formwork, together.
Thank you to TSX to be my partner for our company Intequidis, specialist in scaffolding and formwork in Europe. We wish you a happy birthday, the most better for you, the most nice, and we thank you again to be with you every time, and all my best for you and for China.
I am Benjamin from Chile. I made an order of scaffolds about 3 months ago, so I finally get them in my company. I'm really happy for that. All was okay. I want to say especially thanks to Joey. She helped me during all the process, so she was a very good professional, so thanks for that. And also want to send some blessings to TSX Group Company because of his 10th anniversary. So I hope you keep working like that. Have a good end of year and regards for all. Bye bye.
Hola amigos, mi nombre es Jorge Oliva y en este 10º aniversario para mí es muy grato expresar para mis amigos y compañeros de trabajo de la empresa Tianjin Taishouxing que aunque no la sé pronunciar, quiero que me entiendan, quiero expresarles mi más grande y fraternal abrazo en su 10º aniversario. Que los proyectos que hemos ido construyendo desde esta parte del mundo, desde Sudamérica, específicamente Chile, nos ayuden a tener una mayor integración y poder seguir los sueños que tenemos cada uno como empresa. Amiga Ami, señor director, les reitero mi más afectuoso saludo en este 10º aniversario de la creación de su empresa. Espero que con esto sigamos construyendo mucho más allá para los próximos 20, 30 o 40 años. Gracias y adiós, amigos.
Today, we have built many dreams. We have developed many projects. And thanks to our effort and the quality to support the many great aspirations of these great people, throughout all of these years, we say, congrats.
TSX, all the way from the Caribbean, from CT Construction. Good work in the